Hello, this is Emily from Million Mile Secrets. If you're not familiar with Million Mile Secrets, it's a blog all about how to travel for cheap. In other words, how to have big travel with small money. We've collected and redeemed over 1 million miles and hotel points, all without really traveling very much. And we've been able to do this with credit card reward points. I've been able to see the world like I never thought possible. I've been to Japan, I've pet stingrays in Bora Bora, and I've stayed at overwater bungalows in the Maldives. And I've also taken dozens of trips around the US to visit family and friends. My favorite is visiting my grandma in Florida. I wouldn't have been able to do all that flying if it wasn't for this hobby. There are a few tips that I'd like to share today. Number one, if you're thinking about using credit card rewards to be able to travel more, the first thing is that you have to be somewhat organized. You have to track your credit card spending and make sure that you hit that spending to get the bonuses. Now, this is spending that I would do in any case, so I'm not actually spending any more money to be able to travel. It's all within my regular expenses. And also, you need a credit score of at least around 700 or above. This means that you'll get approved for a lot of the best credit card offers. And finally, you have to track your spending and be organized. If you're not very organized, then the hobby probably isn't for you. You need to be able to do that. And so those are my best tips for today. And if you'd like to learn more, go to millionmilesecrets.com, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.